Welcome back, chess enthusiast. Today, I have an incredible match to share with you that will leave you in awe. We're diving into the relentless world of chess, where one particular showdown stands out among the rest. It's the match between the reigning world champion, Magnus Carlsen, and the extraordinary Leechow. Brace yourselves for a clash of titans that will test their strategic prowess and captivate the minds of millions. Now, let's dive into the jaw-dropping match that took place between Magnus Carlsen and Leechow. This game was not only entertaining but also filled with suspense and unexpected twists. From the very beginning, the tension was palpable, with voices screaming inside the players' heads as well as those of the viewers.
Get out of my way! You need help!
The game started with a simple pawn to d4, knight to f6. But it was the 11th move that caught everyone off guard. Magnus played knight to h3, expecting Leechow to respond with the obvious move, bishop to e6. However, to everyone's surprise, Leechow played queen to e8 instead. It was a bold and unconventional move, demonstrating Leechow's determination to shake up the game. As the match progressed, Carlsen and Leechow engaged in a small war of maneuvers. Magnus was eager to play knight to f4, but the move depended on Leechow placing his bishop at e6. However, both players kept making other moves, avoiding this critical maneuver. The resilience and stubbornness displayed by world champions can truly be awe-inspiring. Nevertheless, the game took an interesting turn with the 13th move, bishop to e2, pawn to c6. Magnus admitted in a post-match interview that this move turned out to be a great play. The queen on e8 could no longer move to a4, diminishing the chances of a checkmate. Carlsen's calculated play rewarded him with a significant advantage. Finally, on the 17th move, Carlsen played pawn to h4, hoping to solidify his position. However, a missed opportunity occurred when Leechow chose to capture a pawn on a2 with his bishop instead of playing rook to d8, which would have put him in a prime position to take advantage of the situation. Lee's oversight became apparent when Carlsen played knight to g6 on his 19th move. If Lee had positioned his rook at f8 instead of capturing the pawn, Carlsen's move would not have been possible. It was a critical mistake that shifted the momentum in Carlsen's favor. From that point on, the game went downhill for Leechow. Despite Lee's valiant efforts to salvage the game, it was clear that victory was slipping away from him. Finally, on the 36th move, Carlsen delivered the decisive blow, pawn to f4, giving Lee's king a checkmate. This game was a beautiful display of exceptional chess moves and unconventional strategies. On a display screen, it might appear that Carlsen was winning right from the 17th move. However, in reality, Leechow put up a great fight, showcasing his resilience and determination. The ability to save his king in such a challenging situation deserves admiration. What an incredible match it was, full of unexpected twists and turns. Magnus Carlsen's strategic brilliance and Leechow's valiant efforts created an unforgettable encounter on the chessboard. We hope you enjoyed dissecting the game with us and exploring the intricacies of their moves. We would love to hear your thoughts and insights. Share your views on this match and let us know how you would have approached the game differently. Engage with our community in the comment section below and ignite the discussion. If you found this video intriguing and want to stay up to date with more captivating chess content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a move. Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and share it with your fellow chess enthusiast. Together, let's spread the love for this timeless game. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep sharpening your skills, exploring new strategies, and embracing the relentless world of chess.